Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks so much for watching this video. This is a quick video, just an update on David Wood. David Wood from the Empower Network, if you're wondering what he's up to. This video is just talking about the Quantum program, his latest program in pre-launch. And it is no cost to join. So I will leave my link down below so you guys can join. It's no cost. Really cool. The way it's set up is it is a singular matrix. So basically anybody that signs up is then placed directly below the last person that signed up. So it's this forever, perpetual, growing thing right now in pre-launch. And the product that they will be selling is an AI-based trading tool. He hasn't said much about it other than it will be high ticket and therefore high commissions. And he believes that once this launches, there will be up for grabs about $17 million in commissions that will be paid out to the affiliates. If anything, it's great to just watch from a marketing perspective, how he's able to build this list and this huge excitement and this pre-launch. Everybody's really excited. But, for you, who's watching, maybe you're looking for an extra income opportunity. This is a really great opportunity. The product itself is already selling. He says it's already selling about $5 million per month, and it hasn't even started the affiliate program. So he started the affiliate program so they can expand the company even further. They have a full-on sales team to handle it. So basically, it's just a matter of generating traffic and generating leads, and then the sales team will handle the rest and do the closing. So really exciting opportunity. I'm interested to see what happens with it and how it's growing. But like I said, when I first got started, as you can see, I was only in the first like 200 or so, and already now there's over 7,000 people directly below me. And basically, anyone who's below you, you'll receive a commission on, as long as you meet certain minimum requirements, whatever that is. Again, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'll leave the link down below. Click, fill out your information, name, address, email, and then have a link and you'll have a back office that will look like this. And you'll get inside and get going. So anyway, look forward to hearing about your success and see you inside.